In this video, we'll be unboxing together the Aukey mystery box. Coming up. Hey guys, this is Hafiz here and welcome to my channel. I bring you product reviews on gadgets and tech for the home as well as the ones you carry with you. My passion is to create quality content that helps you understand the products better so that you can decide for yourself if they're right for you. In addition to that, sometimes I also do tips and tricks and tutorial videos. So if you're new here, do consider subscribing. So Lazada, which is a online shopping platform, had some sort of a sale on the 9th of September, hence the 9.9, and they had a collaboration with Aukey, and apparently this is a mystery box that has products from Aukey that is worth about $100, I think, 100 Singapore dollars, but I only had to pay $49. The catch is, I have no idea what's packed inside. So this is more of a reaction kind of video. It's the first time I'm doing such a thing, so please bear with me. Pretty excited, so without further ado, let's get into it. Inside the Aukey mystery box, I got 4 items in total. Oh, 4 items in total. So, got the USB 2.0 C to C cable, which at the top of my head right now, I have no idea of its application. I'll probably need to do a little bit of research on that to see how I can use this. And I mean, if anyone out there knows what I can use this for, please leave it down in the comments. I would really appreciate it. Then we have the USB 3-port USB car charger. I already have a 2-port USB car charger in my current car, but I'm very sure the one that I have currently doesn't have Qualcomm 3.0, so this is actually a nice little upgrade that I can put in my car. The next one is a 4-port wall charger, also with Quick Charge 3.0. This is something that I feel is going to be quite useful. Definitely excited about this. And oh man, power banks, 5000 milliamp slim power bank. I will never ever complain about power banks, man. The more you give me, the more happy I am. So you can never have enough of power banks. That's what I'm trying to say. So yeah, out of the 4 items in the box, I am probably going to do an unboxing and a review of these 2 things. Just to be sure, that's the end of the unboxing. So I hope you find the video enjoyable. This is the first time I'm doing such a thing. If you like it and you want me to do possibly another similar video, if they still have such a thing, then please let me know in the comments. If not, subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a like if you enjoy the content, because it does make a difference. And yeah, ring the notification bell so you know when a new video comes out. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys again in the next one. Bye bye.